This story is about a small bird whose name was Skyler.
Once upon a time, in a big green forest, there lived a small bluebird named Skyler. Skyler was the tiniest bird in her family, with fluffy feathers, a cheerful chirp, and the biggest dreams of all. She wanted to fly higher than the tallest tree and see the world beyond the mountains. But there was one little problem. Skyler was scared of flying. Every time her brothers and sisters took off into the sky, Skyler would flap her wings just a little, then stop. "What if I fall?" she would say. "What if I'm not strong enough?"
Every great flyer was once afraid, Skyler. The sky belongs to those who try.
One morning, something amazing happened. A strong breeze blew through the forest, and a shiny red balloon floated down from the sky, getting stuck in a nearby tree. A tiny chipmunk named Nibbles saw it and squeaked in panic.
"My little brother thinks balloons are monsters. He's crying back at the burrow."
Skyler looked at the balloon. It wasn't scary. It was just tangled in the branches. But no one could reach it except maybe someone small, light, and feathery. Skyler's heart pounded. I could try," she chirped quietly. All the animals watched as Skyler stood on the branch, spread her tiny wings, and took a deep breath. "Here I go," she said. She leapt. At first, she wobbled. Her wings shook. But then flap, flap, flap. She caught the wind. Skyler was flying. She soared to the balloon, untangled it carefully with her beak, and let it float away into the sky. Then she glided back down, landing with a proud little hop. The forest burst into cheers. "Wow, you did it! Amazing!" Nibbles gave her a sunflower seed cookie, and even the grumpy old owl nodded in approval. From that day on, Skyler flew every day. Higher, stronger, braver. And whenever a young bird said, "I'm too scared to fly," she would smile and say, "So was I, but I tried and the sky caught me."
Moral of the story: being brave doesn't mean you are never scared. It means you try even when you are.